Hello.
Today we are upgrading the Mesa spike because it's smaller than my piece of shit.
Yo.
What?
Why am I laughing, bro?
Because I'm laughing. Today
Why?
we're expanding the Mesa spike because it's smaller than my shit, as I already said.
What?
Take
Did you...
unlocking.
I am literally lost. Just
How?
kidding. I don't know. It took me back in time.
Bro, the time travel. Bam bam, bada bam bam, bada bam bam, bada bam.
Yes, I am a time traveler.
There is,
Yes.
there is really hot. It's really hot in the Mesa. It's literally burning. Oh no! The fire spread to the payload.
Oh no.
Just kidding.
You
Where are you at?
I found a bastion. Well, I'm gonna make.
Bro, you have to help me. Just saying, right? You have to continue the orders of the colors. So yellow, brown, red, white, terracotta, orange.
Wow, a beautiful name, terracotta.
I mean, yeah. Hey guys, did you know we can smelt clay into terracotta?
Oh my god. Oh, where?
Uh.
No, you can't. No, that's not, that is not possible.
Yo, give me some space, man.
That is not possible. Guys, do not try that.
Guys, do not try the sussy Among Us drink at 5 a.m. Life is a wonder. Natural disasters are crazy. My cactus! My new cactus!
What did you do to the cactus?
I didn't do anything to the cactus! I just did anything to the cactus! The cactus! Cactus! Cactus!
Cactus!
Cactus!
Coconut!
Cactus!
Coconut!
Skip!
Curse you. Curse you, man.
Bus Mesa speaker is becoming bigger.
Hey, yo.
Oh, man. What?
Oh! Bigger. You said it's becoming bigger.
Yeah, so? Crap, my phone has 5%!
Again?
Not a... Here's the first time today.
Yeah, but in the last
Charging. Let input. I just put it in.
That's what's usually that's what.
Dude, this is a family-friendly channel.
You're sus, not me.
Bruh. Say that stuff
Bro.
on your channel, not on my channel, bro.
Bro, you were sus.
Shut up, man.
You said put it in.
What?
Okay. Don't ask. What's next one?
The heat rays of the sun are too much. This Mesa spike is now gonna become very big and very tall. Ow! I'm gonna kick you.
Bro, no.
I'm not lying. I swear to God, I will kick you.
Why?
Because you're griefing my server.
This is a world, not a server.
This is technically a server because it's a multiplayer.
Then it's a multiplayer, not a server.
Shut up, nerd.
What?
Huh?
What?
Killer says
What
what?
did you say?
You are the killer!
What?
Killer says what?
Huh?
Killer says, huh? What?
Huh?
Oh, I'm gonna kill
I said huh, not the world.
Not the world.
Oh my gosh, peach is planted.
Bro, can you at least help me?
I'm literally teleporting. Please help, bro.
Bro, I have to work on my project.
Wait,
Project
we have to use yellow, right?
Tomato Spike.
Oh no, this is the wrong yellow. This is the right yellow.
You know what, you're getting kicked.
What?
I am literally done with you.
Why is this so blocky?
Because you literally made the shape.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
I made
freaking
your
did.
shape. I made your shape.
How does that make sense, bro?
It
I
makes sense.
didn't even make it.
I'm in survival now.
Hmm.
Who's at my what?
Who's at my butthole?
What did you just say?
Who's at my butthole? I said that.
That doesn't even make sense. Who's at my butthole? Or
Yeah.
what did you say?
What did you know? Yeah, what do you know?
I don't know.
I have to make this higher. Let's make it. Well,
Better
this.
on part four.
Okay, it's gonna be this high.
Okay, that's what she should.
You know what?
I'm probably making your videos more interesting.
And because you're trying to make them interesting, they're getting no views. Because people do not like interesting things. They have like a attention span of a goldfish. TBH, gotta be honest.
How much IQ do you have?
10.
Oh yeah.
I have, bro. Say that you have 2 times more IQ than me.
I have 3 times more IQ than you.
3 times 0 is 0. I literally risk myself. How did I just make the stupid thing? What? I don't know. Oh my! I'm literally going clinically insane.
I know. You're insane. That is what she said.
She said. What she said?
I said she
That's what
said.
she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. Oh my god, that's what she said. Oh, that's what she said.
I know.
You're weird.
You're literally the guy who made this.
What?
You literally sound like the guy who made this.
So you.
So no me.
I sound like you.
No. I sound like. Hey, I sound like.
That's what she said.
Just kidding.
This build is taking a long time. It would be faster if you would have helped me.
It's literally. I'm literally flying because it's glitching.
He was a fairy.
Bruh, stop with this.
He was a fairy.
What? She was what? She was a
She was
fairy.
a fairy.
She was a nut.
She was a nip.
Yes, she was a nut. She was a
No,
bad
but
word.
for real, don't say it, okay, please.
She was a bad guy.
What? She's a girl. How is she a good? That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. The Mesa Spike is now taller. Bye.